In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Gmail accounts to your Windows 11 PC or laptop. This process is straightforward and can be essential if you're managing multiple email accounts for work, personal use, or any other purpose. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening the Settings app on your Windows 11 device. You can do this quickly by clicking on the Start menu and then selecting the gear icon, which is usually located on the left side of the menu. Once you're in the Settings, look for the Accounts option and go ahead and click on it. This section is responsible for all things related to user accounts, including adding and managing email accounts. After navigating to the Accounts section, you'll see several options on the left side pane. Here, you'll want to click on Email and Accounts. This is where you'll manage existing accounts and add new ones, including your Gmail account. Now, you'll see an option that says Add an Account. Click on this, and a new window will pop up offering different types of accounts you can add. You'll choose Google from the provided list. Selecting Google will bring up a Google sign-in page where you will be asked to enter your Gmail address. Make sure you have your credentials, meaning your email and password, on hand, as you'll need them to proceed. After you input your Gmail address, click Next, and you'll be prompted to enter your password. Ensure your password is correct, and then click Next once more. Your Windows device may also prompt you to allow permissions, such as access to emails, contacts, and calendars. Simply read through them and click Allow to proceed. These permissions are necessary for full functionality between your Gmail account and the Windows Mail app. Once everything is agreed upon, you'll be returned to a screen confirming that your account was added successfully. Your Gmail account is now linked to your Windows 11 device, which means you can start using it with the built-in Mail app or any other app that requires email integration. And there you have it. Adding a Gmail account to your Windows 11 PC or laptop is just that simple. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection and make sure you're entering the correct login credentials. Sometimes, a typo in your password can prevent successful account linking. If everything is correct and you still have problems signing in, it might be helpful to check your device's security settings or to update your system software. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now able to seamlessly manage your Gmail account alongside other email accounts on your Windows 11 device. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing your tech experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.